Hi there, I'm Ruchira. I'm the designer behind FunLurn. I also happen to be a Cricut contributing artist and a Cricut ambassador. I just came across this question that says how to select Arabic font in my Joy machine. Can you show me the demo? I'm a beginner. So, hi Femina P and Nasir, I'm going to help you out. So, first things, you cannot directly type in Cricut Design Space correctly because the glyphs will not get connected properly and the font will not look the letter, the alphabet, the entire word will not render correctly in Cricut Design Space. So I have a workaround for that. So I'll show you that. The way that I have figured out, there's always one answer being given here, but I thought I would also elaborate on the way that I do it. So I would go to Cricut. So I would go to Gmail, and over here you can go to Input Tools. It's on the right side on the top. Okay, on the top right you click on this arrow. And over here you have different input tools. Okay, so you click on input tool settings, and there are 3 types of input tools for Arabic. Okay, this one, which the first one is when you can type as phonetically in English in Gmail, and it will convert that to Arabic. Or you can start with the second one, which is right over here, which will let you type in Arabic if you know how to type in Arabic. Or this one is when you can write in calligraphy. You can write it on screen and that will convert it to Arabic. So I'll show you 2 of these, okay? And I'm just going to close this and I'm going to compose a new email, okay? And I'm just going to delete what is not needed. Now go here, and from the input tools, I will select this one, which is typing, okay? So if you know how to type correctly, you will be able to. Or you can do that. I'll just close it. The next one is when you can write it. Okay, so if you want to write okay, so this is right, and this can go here in your text. So you can just select this, and that will come over here. You can click and paste it over here. You can increase the size, and from here you can copy. Okay, there might be a mistake in it because I am not a Urdu writing person. I'm not an Urdu writing person. I had learned a bit of Urdu when I was little. My mother and we both studied Urdu, and my apologies if anything is wrong. So I can copy it, and I can try pasting it in Cricut Design Space, okay? So I'll just select text and paste. So you see it is written, but it is all wrong. The order is wrong. The way the letters are not connected is also not rendered correctly. Okay? So even if I use this method, the other one I'll show you, if you choose to write phonetically, like this is the phonetic version, and you go back to this message, and then you type it, okay? Instead of writing it, you will type Ya, and then choose Ya from here, and then you will say Hussein, and then select Hussein from here, okay? Now, this entire thing, if you copy from here, this is the same Unicode. If you go here, and if you insert text and type it here, you still would not get it correctly. Okay, the workaround over here is, you go to Word or PowerPoint, and you simply paste it and you'll get it correctly. So currently this is in Unicode, so the font does not matter, but if you have an Arabic font installed, there are a lot of free for commercial use Arabic fonts, one of which is Noto Sans, and it can be downloaded from Google Fonts. I'll show you how. So you go to fonts.google.com, and then you type Arabic, and then you'll find lots of families, out of which 4 of these Arabic families are here. If you choose any of these, like if this is Noto Sans Arabic, and you can select this, and then you can download font family, so that will download the font family. I'll choose the other one because I don't have it, so I'll choose Kufi Arabic, and that's it. I'll click download family. It will download it for me, and then I can open it and right click. And I can open it again and again install. So this will install this font in my machine, and once the font is installed, then I'll be able to use the font in my software like Word. So the name of the font was Noto Kufi Arabic. So now you see the font has changed. Okay. And you can now copy it to Cricut Design Space, but not directly. You need to convert it into an image. So I'm going to change it to another font because this is too light for my liking. Noto Sans. I don't think I have that installed as well. So I'll just let this be, okay? And then I'll go and increase the size, right? And then I can take a screenshot of the entire thing, okay? So I have a capture software, so I'll just take a screenshot. And now the screenshot is ready for me. Now I will open Cricut Design Space. I will select all, delete these two, click on upload and find the image that I'm looking for. Okay, so I can either browse or drag and drop. So there we have it. We'll keep it simple and continue. There we have it. Apply. Actually, we don't need this, right? Do we need the background removal? The background is all. Oh, we need it. So I just clicked it. It removed the background. I click apply and continue. And then I'll change it to a cut image. And I'll click upload. And there I have it. Now I can use it as a path. You see over here. It cannot be edited, but now it can be easily cut using Cricut Design Space. So currently this is my Joy connected. I can use my Joy to cut this design. So if you have any doubts regarding the process, you can comment down and I'll be happy to solve it for you. So hope that helps. And thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Hi, you're still here? Let me show you how I will cut into my Joy. Okay. So this is the design and I'm going to just use it over here on this black cardstock. I'm going to stick it with the gold vinyl. Okay. And for that, I am going to check the size. Okay. So using my ruler, I see this is around 1, 2, 3, 4.5 inches. And this entire thing is around 4 and okay, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 inches. Okay. So I would like the design to be around 4 in length. Okay. So let's resize it in Cricut Design Space. Getting back over here, selecting this and changing the width to 4 inches. And it changes to 1.21 inches. So I'll go back to my table and check the width. So it is 1.5. This should work. We are fine. So I'm just going to remove this, remove the protective sheet as well, and then I'm going to put this right over here and make it, and I'm going to just rotate it like this. It will be around 4. Click continue. I'm going to select this one because this works best for me. Next, I will take you back to the table. Here I will open it and carefully insert it. Go over here, preparing. Same thing using Hindi fonts, Devanagari fonts, and the process is almost the same. You go look for a nice Hindi font that you like, you take it, you download it, you install it on your computer, then you use your Gmail, go and type the text. From there you copy it, paste it in your either Word or PowerPoint, and then you take a snapshot, and then you bring it into Cricut Design Space, and then you go through the process of tracing and bring it inside. I hope this helped. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.